A very good morning to all my dear student of class 1. So children of class 1, how are you all? I hope you all are good, safe, healthy and happy. So children, today is your English literature class. And today we are going to do what? Today we are going to learn poem. And what is the name of the poem? The poem name is The Morning Rush. Okay, see, in your literature book, this is lesson 1. And what is the name of the book, children? The name of the book is Voices. Okay, your Voices is your literature book. Okay, and chapter 1 is your poem. The name of the poem is The Morning Rush. So children, page number is 9 and topic is this. See, this is your today's topic, the morning rush. What is the spelling of morning? M-O-R-N-I-G. See, morning. M-O-R-N-I-G. Morning. And rush. R-U-S-H. Rush. Morning rush. Morning rush is your poem name, children. See, children. Here is many pictures. One boy and one boy is doing different actions. See, one boy, okay, and one boy is doing different action. First action is washing face. Second is wearing clothes. Third is eating breakfast. Fourth is brushing teeth. Fifth is combing hair. And sixth one is going to school with bag and coat. So children, these are different actions. Okay, so children, washing face, first action. Second is wearing clothes, trying to wear a cloth. Then eating breakfast, and after eating your meal, okay children, after eating your meal you have to go again where? You have to go again where? In the bathroom and brush your teeth, because before and after meal you have to brush your teeth again, because it is very important, children. So children, first you tell me how many meals. There are 3 types of meal. First one is breakfast, second one is lunch, and third one is dinner. Okay, so children, first one is breakfast, and breakfast is a very important meal of a day. Okay, so every child take your breakfast every day. Okay, because it is such a very important meal of the day. So children, first picture is showing washing face. Second picture is wearing clothes. Third is eating breakfast. Fourth is again brushing teeth. Fifth is combing hair. And sixth one is hanging back, taking a coat and going to the school. So now children, I am going to read this poem. This is the poem. Okay, and how many stanzas are there? There are 6 stanzas. First, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. So children, हर stanzas के साथ उसकी pictures बनी है. I hope आपको clearly दिख रही होंगी. Okay, so one by one I am going to read the stanzas. So children, first one is, into the bathroom, turn on the tap, wash away the sleepiness, splash, splosh, splash. Into the bedroom, pull on your vest, quickly get yourself dressed. Then down to the kitchen, no time to lose. Globler up your breakfast, put on your shoes. Then back to the bathroom, squeeze out the paste. Brush your teeth, no time to waste. Look in the mirror, comb your hair. Hurry, scurry, down the stairs. Pick your school bag up off the floor. Grab your coat and out the door. What is the meaning of this poem, children? इस poem का क्या मतलब है? इस पोएम का ये मतलब है कि एक बॉय है और वो क्या कर रहा है, वो डिफरेंट एक्शंस मींस डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज को कर रहा है. ओके, वॉशिंग फेस, वेयरिंग क्लोथ्स, ईटिंग ब्रेकफास्ट, ब्रशिंग टीथ, combing hair and going to school with school bag and school coat. Children, वो कोट जो हम लोग किस में वेयर करते हैं, विच वी वेयर इन अ विंटर्स, वो विंटर्स वाला कोट को वेयर कर रहा है. सो चिल्ड्रन, this is your poem. Into the bathroom, turn on the tap, wash away the sleepiness, splash, splash, splash. Into the bedroom, pull on your vest. Quickly get yourself dressed. Down to the kitchen, no time to lose. Global up your breakfast, put on your shoes. Back to the bathroom, squeeze out the paste. Brush your teeth. No time to waste. Look in the mirror. Comb your hair. Hurry, scurry down the stairs. Pick your school bag up off the floor. Grab your coat and out through the door. So children, हमने क्या करी, आपके लिए ये पोएम रीड करी. It is an interesting poem. ये पोएम कैसे है, ये पोएम हमको ये बताती है कि जब हम क्विकली गेटअप होते हैं मॉर्निंग में तो हम क्या क्या करते हैं बिफोर स्कूल जाने से पहले. ओके चिल्ड्रन, ये बुक हम आपसे शेयर करेंगे और शेयर करके आपको वन बाय वन हर स्टेंजा के बारे में बताएंगे. शेयर हम कैसे करेंगे, हम ये बुक आपको दिखाएंगे. बिफोर हम आपको ये बुक दिखाएंगे उससे पहले हम लोग इस पोयम की क्या करेंगे, डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स को लर्न करेंगे. Okay, so children, see your blackboard first. Okay, this is your blackboard. Okay, and here is a 14 difficult words, means hard words. All right, first word is C, rush. R-U-S-H, rush. हमारे पोयम में आता है children, the morning rush. So first word is rush. R-U-S-H, rush. Second is morning. M-O-R-N-I-N-G. Morning means क्या होता है चिल्ड्रन, सुबह, सवेरे. थर्ड इज स्टेयर्स. S-T-A-I-R-S. S-T-A-I-R-S. स्टेयर्स मीन्स होती हैं चिल्ड्रन सीढ़ियाँ. फोर्थ भी है बेडरूम, सॉरी बाथरूम. B-A-T-H-R-O-O-M. बाथरूम. बाथरूम मीन्स सब जानते हैं, बाथरूम को हम लोग वॉशरूम भी बोलते हैं चिल्ड्रन. सो बाथरूम, B-A-T-H-R-O-O-M. फिफ्थ इज टीथ. एवरीबडी नो व्हाट इज टीथ. टीथ मीन्स दांत. T-E-E-T-H, टीथ. सिक्स्थ इज ब्रश. B-R-U-S-H, ब्रश. B-R-U-S-H, ब्रश. ब्रश मीन्स एवरीबडी नो जो हम लोग मॉर्निंग में जब उठते हैं वो तब ब्रश करते हैं, टीथ में ब्रश. सेवेंथ इज किचन. K-I-T-C-H-E-N. किचन मीन्स जहाँ हम लोग की मम्मी हम लोग के लिए फूड रेडी करती हैं. देन एट लॉस. L-O-S-E, लॉस मीन्स कोई चीज़ का लॉस होना, मतलब अगर हम कोई चीज़ कर रहे हैं उसका लॉस हो जाए. देन नाइन्थ इज क्विकली. Q-U-I-C-K-L-Y. क्विकली मीन्स जल्दी. Q-U-I-C-K-L-Y, quickly. 10th away. A-W-A-Y, away. 11th school. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. Everybody knows school, जहाँ हम जाते हैं, जहाँ हम डिफरेंट चीज़ें लर्न करते हैं, अच्छी चीज़ें सीखते हैं, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं चिल्ड्रन, स्कूल कहते हैं. 12th is time. T-I-M-E, time means समय. 13th floor. F-L-O-O-R, floor. Floor means children zameen. Then 14th is bedroom. B-E-D-R-O-O-M, bedroom. Everybody know what is bedroom, जहाँ हम लोग सोते हैं. So once again I am repeating your spellings children. Rush, morning, stairs, bathroom, teeth, brush, kitchen, loss, quickly, away, school, time, floor, bedroom. Once again children, rush, morning, stairs, bathroom, teeth, brush, kitchen, loss. Quickly, away, school, time, floor, bedroom. So children, you have to learn all your hard words. Okay? And now children, first please see your blackboard. Now children, I am going to share this poem with you. Okay? हम आपको ये पोएम बुक के थ्रू दिखाएंगे और बुक के थ्रू आपको पढ़ाएंगे और समझाएंगे. तो आपको क्या करना है? You have to learn this poem. You have to read this poem. Okay? And now children, I'm going to share my book with you. Okay? See children, first picture. Okay? Into the bathroom, turn on the tap. Wash away the sleepiness. Slap, slop, splash. Second picture, wearing clothes. Into the bedroom, pull on your vest. Quickly, quickly get yourself dressed. Then see, third picture, eating breakfast. Down to the kitchen, no time to lose. Global up your breakfast, put on your shoes. Then children, fourth picture, brushing teeth. Brushing teeth, why? Before and after meal children, it is very important कि हम लोग मील खाने से पहले और मील खाने के बाद चिल्ड्रन हमेशा हम लोग को अपने टीथ को फिर से ब्रश करना चाहिए. ओके, सो ब्रशिंग टीथ. सी, बैक टू द बाथरूम, स्क्वीज आउट द पेस्ट. ब्रश 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 योर टीथ, नो टाइम टू वेस्ट. कभी भी हमें अपना टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए. हमें हमेशा हर चीज़ टाइम से कर लेनी चाहिए चिल्ड्रन. देन कोमिंग हेयर. आफ्टर ब्रशिंग उसने क्या किया? अपने हेयर को कोम किया. सी, लुक इन द मिरर, कोम योर हेयर. हरी स्करी डाउन द स्टेयर्स. सी, सिक्स पिक्चर, पिक योर स्कूल बैग up off the floor. Glabble your coat and out through the door. क्या हुआ चिल्ड्रन? इस पूरी पोयम में क्या है? एक बॉय है. बॉय अपनी डिफरेंट एक्शंस मीन्स डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज को बता रहा है. मतलब चिल्ड्रन मीन्स कौन कौन सी डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज? लाइक ही इज वॉशिंग फेस, he is try to wearing clothes, brushing teeth, combing hair, eating breakfast and going to school with bag and coat. Coat means children वो coat जो हम लोग mostly winters में wear करते हैं. This one. Okay. And children, breakfast. Breakfast children क्या है? Breakfast is very important meal. Breakfast what? Breakfast is a very important meal of our day. Okay, you have to take your breakfast and after then you go to school. Breakfast is very important meal. How many meals? There are 3 meals. 3 meals. Which one? Breakfast, lunch and dinner. Okay, 3 meals. But breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Okay, so everybody, every child take your breakfast and then after you go to school, right? Okay, so children, in this poem, what is the boy saying? What is the boy saying? Boy क्या कह रहा है? Boy is saying that you should get up quickly. Boy ने क्या कहा? That you should get up quickly and what? And go and take the bath. Go and brush your teeth. Go to the washroom and do everything. Go in the washroom. You have to wash your face, take a bath, brush your teeth. Okay? And then come back to the bedroom. See, come back to the bedroom, and after come back, what? Wear your clothes. Wear your clothes. See, boy is also wearing a clothes. Yes. After washroom, after washing face, take a bath, brush your teeth. After he came back to the bedroom, and bedroom he is wearing he's wearing his clothes. What? And then get yourself dressed. और क्या हुआ? अपने बेडरूम में वापस आया, अपना उसने क्लोथ्स वेयर किए और अपने आप को उसने ड्रेस किया. Yourself dressed. Get yourself dressed. And after you're dressed, you have to go to kitchen. See, after wearing clothes, this boy कहाँ आया? In the kitchen. And then eat your breakfast. After wearing your dress, you have to go to the kitchen quickly and eat your breakfast. And what? Because why? Breakfast is a very important meal. Yes, of the day. So you have to take your breakfast every day because it is such an important meal, children. Alright. And after breakfast, what? See, after breakfast, you have to go what? After your breakfast, you should go back to the bathroom again and brush your teeth. Okay, brush your teeth, and you know, before and after eating anything, you have to brush, you have to wash your hand, you have to wash your face, and then you come back to the room. And after room, then क्या हुआ? उसने क्या किया? अपने hairs combing hairs, and then after combing hairs, अपने उसने क्या? Stairs से नीचे. Stairs means, children, see, stairs, stairs. Stairs means सीढ़ियाँ. सीढ़ियों से नीचे आया, and then उसने क्या किया? Pick up your school bag. and उसने क्या किया? अपना उसने school bag पिक किया, और स्कूल बैग के साथ उसने क्या पिक किया? कोट which you wear in winters. Okay, and rush to the door because you have to go and catch the bus for school. So this boy is ready for school. So children, उसने क्या क्या किया? Brush face, wash, wearing clothes, eating breakfast because it is such an important meal, and then after breakfast brushing teeth, and after then combing hair, and then last is what? Going to school. All right, so children, once again I am repeating this poem. Into the bathroom, turn on the tap. Wash away the sleepiness, splash, splash, splash. Into the bedroom, pull on your vest. Quickly, quickly get yourself dressed. Down to the kitchen, no time to lose. Global up your breakfast, put on your shoes. Back to the bathroom, squeeze out the paste. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. No time to waste. Then look in the mirror, comb your hair. Hurry, scurry down the stairs. Pick your school bag up off the floor. Grab your coat and out through the door. So children, this is such an interesting poem. Yes. Is it really very, very interesting poem? So what is the work? You have to do what today? You have to learn this poem. Okay? And you have to also follow all different actions. जो ये बच्चा, जो ये boy actions कर रहा है, different children, ये आपको भी अपने regularly आपको क्या करना चाहिए? इन सबको follow करना चाहिए. Okay? So I hope children this poem is very interesting और आपको ये अच्छे से understood भी हो गई होगी. So children, please learn this poem, read this poem, okay, And what? And what? You have to go in the comment box in the YouTube and mention your name so I can mark your attendance, children. So children, take care. God bless you and learn this poem. Which one? The morning rush. Okay? And follow all actions. So take care, children. God bless you and thank you so much.